In this lesson, we will be adding our website to Google Analytics so we could track all the visits coming from the various places. We will be able to see where traffic is coming from, if it's coming from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other source. We will be able to see how much time people are spending on our website on a certain pages, what is the bounce rate. As well, we will be able to see how many live users we have on our website at the moment and all other information which is associated to traffic which is coming to your website. So if you want to have a successful website, it doesn't matter if it's going to be blog, e-commerce store, or any other type of website, you must have Google Analytics. Otherwise, you will not be able to track the traffic which is coming to your website, and you will not be able to make some kind of conclusions which pages are performing well or which are performing worse. So to install Google Analytics, you want to look for Google Analytics. So once you have found this, just click on it. So you will be asked to create an account. So once you have created your account, you have added information, you should be seeing similar window to this. Of course, you might not be seeing anything like that because you have not added any properties yet. So you should go to admin section right here and you should see something like this. So once you are here, you should click create an account and just add account name. So you can add the name of your website. Once you have done this, just scroll to the bottom and click next. Select web, click next, and enter your website name. Just paste the URL of your website, select your industry, and choose time zone. So choose your time zone. Once you have done this, just click create. So you'll have to accept these terms and conditions. Click accept, and let's click here. And right here you will get your code. So your tracking code is right here and you want to copy this code. So just copy this code. And now we should go back to our WordPress website. Let's go to dashboard, and from here we will have to install one plugin. So let's go to plugins, click add new, and in the search bar type analytics. As you can see, there are plenty of plugins available which can help you track visits to your website, but I'm going to show you one plugin which I use myself. So you want to install this plugin, GA Google Analytics. So just install it and activate it. So alright, once you have installed this plugin, we should go to settings section, and right here you should see Google Analytics. Click on it, and all you have to do is just click plugin settings, and in this section we have to paste our tracking ID which we copied previously. Just paste it and select global site tag. All right, once you have done this, just click save changes, and before we go back to Google Analytics, you can purge the cache. Once you hover right here, just click purge all, and let's go back to Google Analytics. All right, so this is where we left, and now we can go to homepage of Google Analytics. Once you click right here, so as you can see, we are getting live data. We have one active user, so that one active user is me. Of course, we can do some changes and disable tracking for ourselves. But before we do this, I just want to walk you through some of the most important sections. In this section, you will see the live users. So as you can see, right now we have one live user, and you can check more data in real time once you click right here and you click overview. So we are getting more information. We can see which page has active users. We can see where they are coming from. So as you can see, it's being displayed in the map. You can check the locations. So in audience section, you will be able to see your users, the traffic, how many sessions you had, what is the average time spent on your website. And as you can see, you will see the language, the country, the city where your visitors are coming from. When you are starting out, you should explore analytics yourself to see how it works. When I use Google Analytics, there are a lot of different data elements which I use myself. Since I run an e-commerce store, there are more information which is relevant to me. But if you are running a blog, let's say, you can check the pages which are bringing you the most traffic. And to do this, you would have to go to acquisition, click all traffic, click channels, and once you're here, you will be able to see where the traffic is coming from. In this section, it's going to show you organic traffic, social media traffic, referral traffic, direct traffic. So once you click on, let's say, on the social media traffic, it's going to show you more information in depth. So you will be able to see if this traffic is coming from Facebook, if it's coming from Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, or any other source. So yeah, you'll be able to check where the traffic traffic is coming from. As well, you will see how many users you got, how much time they spent on your website, and by selecting the secondary dimensions, you will be able to see more information. For example, in commonly used, you can click on the landing page and you will be able to see which page is bringing you the most traffic from a certain source, if it's organic, if it's social media, and if it's a social media, you will be able to check which social platform is bringing you the most traffic. So you will be able to see all these settings right here. And once you click right here, you can go to users, and let's say you can select age, browser, country, city, or any other secondary dimension, and you will be able to see traffic which is coming to your website by the country, by the age, or any other secondary dimension. And once you are in the home section, as I said before, right here, you will be able to see live users. In this section, you will get the summary of the last 7 days. You can change to any other time frame. In this section, you will be able to see how much traffic you are getting by the day. So it's going to be displayed right here, and where this traffic is coming from, if it's coming from organic sources, if it's coming from social media, direct visits, if you are getting direct visits, or any other. In this section, you will see which country is bringing you the most traffic. In this section, you will see users by the time of the day, so at what time of the day you are getting the most traffic. So right now we don't see any information because it's a new website, but once you will start getting traffic, you will be able to check all the information, and don't be afraid, explore everything yourself and just check what information is the most relevant to you. So like I said, we can also disable tracking for ourselves. So to do this, we would have to go back to our dashboard, and let's go to settings section, and let's click Google Analytics. So plug in settings. And if you don't want to be tracked with analytics, you would have to go down to the bottom, and you would have to click disable tracking of admin level users. So click right here and just click save. From now on, your visits will not be tracked on Google Analytics, and it's good because you will know the real traffic which is coming to your website. So this is how you add your website to Google Analytics. And if you would like to learn more about Google Analytics, I highly recommend you to go Google Analytics Academy, where you will be able to learn way more about analytics in depth by taking free courses. As you can see, there's a lot of information about analytics which you can learn for free. So if you are interested in, I highly recommend you to go to Google Analytics Academy to learn more about it.